Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video, I'll show you how to use GoCut effect video editor that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store up and running, and in here, search in GoCut video effect editor, and here it is. So before we install this up, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So personalized neon brushes, so it's going to look like this. Video transitions, fantastic glowing stickers, powerful video editing, amazing filters, trendy music, adjust speed, and so on. Alright, let's go ahead and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that GoCut is the best video effect editor you can ever find. It's also a fantastic glowing Scibble effect video maker. Just like CapCut, with GoCut you can create stunning videos by using a variety of artistic effects. You can use the most popular effects like glowing line, Grop star, helical line, VHS, echo, Kara, wave, glitch, rainbow, dynamic, 100 plus amazing effect templates. Choose the coolest effect template to make your video unique. Powerful toolset, neon brush, neon stickers, glowing signs, ritual filters, transition effects, and so on. Different scribble effects available: neon, heart, angle, wings, guitar, star music, pizza racket, and so on. So neon brush frame by frame animation, so you can play with the GoCut's neon brush features. Neon video editor provide a wide variety of video editing features such as cut, merge, reverse, copy, paste, and more. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. Alright, so let's take a look at the templates in here. So let's say that we want to use this one, so you just have to tap it and it's going to look like this. So this is neon line, and then if you want to use this, then just tap the use template. Alright, so let's go ahead and use this template, and here we have the option to use a video clip or photo. So let's just use photo of Jackie Chan. Okay, this one there. So as you can see, the effects has been added. So you have the option to export it, then it's wait for it to complete. After this, you have the option to share it on your TikTok. Alright, let's close this. Okay, so it's done. So you have the option to share to your TikTok, to your social media account like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or you can save it to your phone. So let's save it to our phone, to our gallery. There, it's done. Once you're done, you can tap the home page, and here, and there you go. So we're back to our effects screen. So free fire, selfie, clones, and trends. So there. This one is also good, the clones. Let's take a look at this. Okay, this one is so awesome. So let's use this template. And then the template is actually good for if you're making a video of yourself, like if you're dancing, then use your own video clips. So for this example, I'm just going to use a photo so that it will load faster. So let's let me choose this one, and here it is. So there, so the effect has been added. So there, the effects has been added, and once you're good with that, then just tap the export button at the top right portion. Let's do that, and right now it's being processed. After this, we have the option to share it to our social media account like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or we can save it to our phone. Okay, it's done. So we have the option to save it, share it, so it's up to you. So for this example, I'm just going to save it to my gallery. And there, it's done. So I can go back, or I can tap the home page here at the top right portion, and then I can choose another amazing effects in here. There's really a lot. You just have to So you just have to choose a template, a ready-to-use template for your needs. So there, it's really a lot. Trendings. So trends. So there, clones, selfie, free fire, then hot. There. So it's really easy to use. You just have to select the ready-to-use template and then choose your photo or videos and then wait for it to process, and then you will have the final result. So projects, these are the projects that we've been working so far. Then again, it's really awesome effects. I highly recommend this to anyone who wants to promote their videos. It's really amazing. As you can see, there's really a lot of templates that you can use from, that you can choose from. So I like this one here. This one, I like this. It's really amazing template. This one as well, if you take a look. And this one, so clones there. It's really amazing, never stop. This one, let's take a look at this. Okay, it's going to look like that. So again, the GoCut editor provides a variety of video editing features such as cut, merge, reverse, copy, paste, and more. So you also have the option. So you have the option to create your own effects as well by tapping this one, and then select a video or photo. So let's just choose a photo like this one. Export, and then there you have the option to add this. So we have the option to add this template in here. Okay, so right now it's being downloaded. Let's wait for it, and then let's use it. You just have to hold it like this so that it will be added to your clips or video or photos. So there, it's now being applied. So there's really a lot of templates in here. Just have to select the best application for you. So you just have to select the best effects for you. So line there, and if you don't want this, just tap the delete, and then you have the option to replace it. And then here at the top, so frame per second, you have the option to change the resolution. So 4K will be the highest there, 4K. Then frame rate, standard is 30, 60, you can change that as well. So it's up to you. And then once you're good with that, you have the option to, once you're good with that, then export it to see. So let's add this one. Okay, just have to tap and hold it. So here, let's add this effect. So long press to add. All right, so let's wait for it to be completed first. It's being downloaded. Okay, it's done. So long press there, and then let's play it. Okay, it's going to be like that there. So let's export it there. So right now it's being processed. So wait a moment, the video will load successfully right away. So as you can see, there's a hint in here, real life videos will make. All right, so it's done. Save it and share it to your TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and so on. So let's save it. There, it's now being saved. Then let's go back to the home page. So it's really easy to use. You just have to select any of the following templates in here, following effects. It's really easy to use, and it's really awesome effects. So that's it for this video, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time.